how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Arturo is back. How many of you guys have driven this monster? It's a 2014 Infiniti QX80. 80. Well, if you haven't, then I'm about to show you how to reset the oil life. And there's two ways. Alright. One is through here, using these two guys, and the other one is through here. So let's do this one first. You start the car and say it's running right now. Now you press this one until you go there. Press this one, go maintenance, press this one, go oil, that one to reset it, this one, press this one again, and this one. That's to reset it, okay? And then through here you just press this guy right here, info. Then you can just press it here because it's a screen touch. You press that one, or just scroll with this, okay? Then press enter. Go engine oil, it's right there. Enter. Go reset distance, then press enter. Okay, now go back to the oil filter, go back to the tires, why not, since I'm here, and that's it. This is how you reset the oil life in this 2014, the almighty 2014 Infiniti QX80. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the comments, put it in the comment box. But also, I need the feedback. So I will appreciate it if you put the feedback in the comment box. Like I said, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Arturo, Burun, hey.